It's turkey and hamburger meat with paprika and rye bread and crackers, and garlic salt and onion salt and paprika.
What else you got?
Then you take this and make into the patties. Yuck. Yuck. And then you put breadcrumbs. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And then they come out like this. You see how they look. Whoops, a little overdone. That's it, you listen to the phone. Turn it down a little. Yeah. There you go. And then we could put this in there. Keeping them warm in the oven. I'm gonna have that with some cauliflower and some potatoes, and can't forget the sour cream.